Hi, hello guys, Bosnia Magnetfishing, riddle me this. It's his turn now.
Ima neka evo, žica.
So we're using the smaller 360, lighter one that goes long range. Let's see what he catches today, guys.
Aj.
Right way over there. See guys, once again, we've been here before a long time ago. There's still more junk right here. Trash, that rebar that's down the ground. Some piece of wood there. Actually, that's a car bumper, and they still haven't cleaned this creek out. Look at somebody just threw their trash over there, looks like. Filled with like aluminum cans. Clean up y'all's trash, guys, please. Reduce, reuse, recycle, as they say. Somebody waving by. Catch maybe? Let's go check. Probably something small. Put it right here. Anyway.
Ne vidi se beton. Neko željezo.
Some piece of scrap. We're gonna get more rocks. Clean that up. Maybe to the left now, maybe. That's pretty full. Whoa, caught that. So see guys, at the other video we were again at the other. I was at the other side of the bridge. Rope was tangled now, untangled it before I made this video. So now there's a little bit more distance, at least 90 feet now almost. Okay, so guys, let me see if I can give you a riddle. I have 12 numbers on my face. My hands point at a pace. I'm constantly being observed every day. What am I? If y'all could comment down below. Something we use in everyday life. Yeah, if you notice guys, the Riddler, one of my favorite villains of Batman, better than the Joker, I think. And I love the color green. I had this hat for the past maybe 5-6 years. I wear it on and off now and then. And looks like more scrap on that throw. Yeah, rocks. Okay, guys. Another cast. Yeah, again on a tree. Yeah, guys, I wish they would kind of like, you know, kind of cut these branches out, clean this brushing, you know, but some of them just stay. Yeah, you can see right there, coming off the tree. Yeah, careful, don't get that stuck. Nemoj zaglaviti. Huh. Looks like a wiring from this distance. Oh, was that a hook? Wait. What did it say? Oh, okay. That was a hook.
Yeah.
Nails. See that, guys? Even a small magnet has good distance. And also seeing guys on YouTube, people are talking about that new Mega Q magnet that just came up from like Magnetar. It's like almost $380, something like that. So instead of the 360, people are buying the square one. So I read the specs on it. It's a little bit heavier, I think. This one's about 2 pounds. The 360 Brute Boss is about, I think, 5.5 pounds. I was told that the Mega Cube is about 9 to 10 pounds, if I'm correct, because the whole thing is square. But I think the only flaw is you can possibly get the magnet. Sorry about that. Mustang going by. Oh, rebar. He has that rebar on the ground. That magnetar. Sorry about that, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. Sorry about that. Mustang showing off and all that. Anyways, so the Mega Cube magnetar, I was told, guys, that. Can you pull it off? Yeah, go to the left a little bit. Ah. Yeah, taco. Dang, this thing doesn't want to come off. There we go. Gosh. Anyways, guys, sorry about that again. So I was told that that Magnetar Mega Cube that came out, it's a little bit heavier, but it has a pull force of maybe 8 or 9 inches in diameter, so like 3 or 4 inches, a little bit stronger than the 360 magnet, but it's a little bit more heavier and more expensive. I like the 360s better, guys. Just, I don't know, they're a little bit more easier. I just think a square design gets stuck more. That's my only little biased opinion on it. Okay. Oh, there we go. Looks like some small bolt or something. I just seen come right off. Finally, at least something. Biggest catch so far I caught in the other video was that modern hex nut bolt. There we go. What is that? Wait. Is that a casing? Bullet casing? No. For a second, I thought that was. It looks pointy a little bit. Nah, could be just the. Not lip gloss. Not a. I don't think. That's not brass, but brass is not magnetic. If y'all can comment down below, guys, in the video. So.
Yes, brass, ali ovo je željezo ovdje, ono je ufatilo, vidiš. Ovaj mali.
Oh, no, right here in the tip. There might be a. I don't think it's a bullet casing, guys. If y'all can comment down below, so riddle me this, guys. What is that? That's the riddle for y'all.
Ovdje ima.
First I thought it was like a cartridge. You know those CO2 cartridges like BB guns? Nah, it was a little bit bigger, I think. Caught a couple of those.
Ne znam šta je.
Okay. There we go, the first interesting find. Okay, guys, another throw. Yeah, a little bit slower. I mean, still strong, but strong magnet for its size. I just prefer these 360 guys over that. I mean, Magnetar Mega Cube is just, that one looks a little bit heavier and it just that square design. Although it's strong, I give that huge pro on that, but it just might get stuck a little bit more. Oh, wait, you caught something. What the heck? Ispade. What a limenka ba? Looks like a tin can. It fell right there. Sardine bila. Nash.
Da vidim, gdje je bio?
In the center right there. Nah. It was like blue and white. It's probably a can of some sort. No, over there in the middle. Sardine ba.
Ček.
There we go. It fell somewhere in there.
Something white.
White and blue, I think. What the heck? There's something on that. What? Now it looks like there's a piece of rebar over there. And he caught something up. It fell right off too, whatever that was. I'm thinking that's one of those aerosol cans, whatever fell off. Wait, is that a... Check. If y'all can comment down below, what is that? Is that a bike ring? You know, zvonac za bicikla?
Ne znam.
Could be one. Yeah, if y'all comment down below, we don't know what that is. Well,
Nešto još onda.
yeah, so what we're gonna do... Yeah, bacaj odbaj. No, yeah, they're right here. What's pushtai? So he believes that, and I just seen it too actually, so it looks like everything is in the middle in there. So you don't really have to throw it far this time, just a little bit downward. Looks like everything is right here now, that area.
Drveta nešto ima. Šta vučem lagano.
Yeah, that's why he says he's kind of... If y'all can see, there might be bubbles, yeah. Look, heavy?
Da se nešto bilo grana.
That is... Yeah, tree limb, okay. Because usually when you see bubbles, or sometimes if the object is heavy, that's an indication you caught something. Is that a tape measure? I know I'm not seeing this, right? Oh, no, wait. That might be a... Looks like a tape measure just, you know, fell right out. Yeah, it looks like tape measure, Bob, right?
Yeah.
Oh, and there's that can. Don't fall. Okay, good. Wow, two things in one. There we go. Wow, guys.
Piece, tape measure.
Yeah, tape measure.
Metar.
Yeah. 125 to 100 and... Wait. 84 inches, okay. And that can...
Limenka.
That's probably not old.
No.
Pineapple, which one? Green. Pineapple. Just a pineapple juice, okay. So that's what he's saying. I thought it was like an aerosol can. And tape measure, broken tape measure part. Oh, careful. That's what I thought it was. I was like, wait a minute, the tape measure just kind of like fall apart. It goes right in there. Probably a couple more times though, but that's I said at least a little bit closely now. Yeah. Looks like everything. Either people are throwing stuff, you know, from that junk over time, or just as it rains, like I said before, erosion carries things as it rains and then gets stuck between those rocks. Yeah, the kapopla, vada gura.
Yeah.
Or probably just people throw junk again, you know. Because we've been here a couple of times. We never ever really caught a tape measure here yet. Now what is that? Some piece of string?
Yeah.
So he says that he thinks that there's something wedged in the ground, and it's gonna be kind of really hard to take it off. Depends on how deep it is. So if it's like that rebar right there, see now it's standing right up, right here. Whoop. That's wedged in the ground. See? Comes right, yeah. Yeah, a piece of rebar, but yeah.
Ali znaš šta je?
Huh. Man, minute. Yeah, we can't get that, guys. Whatever that is, it might be just, you know, a piece of rebar. Keeps coming off all the time.
Plastan. Papir.
Šta radiš?
Da bacim to da.
Ok, hajde malo požuri.
Eto, to je to.
Oh, and it caught a lid. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get this bucket. I'll wrap up the video. Yeah, we try to at least keep the video, guys, between 13 to 17 minutes almost. And there we go. That's our last catch of the day, a lid.
Yeah.
So that's all the catches he got. Piece of can, a ringer thing. Da pokažem, skino što si uzeo.
Šta?
Stvari što si našao.
Ne znam ovo, da li ovo...
Yeah, if y'all can comment down below. Whatever that is. And this right here, guys, whatever that is, if you can comment down below, we appreciate it. And once again, I'll say riddle me this. If y'all know what that is, please comment down below. Thank you, guys. Leave a like and subscribe to Bosnia Magnetfishing. Stay tuned for more videos. So it's about to rain and stuff, and we finished everything on time. Bye bye, and thank you again, subscribers.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Hvala.